Hello Literate Hub, Jax is here and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you some site that can actually pay you from writing. Alright, if you are the one that's passionate about writing and you've been wanting to know the site that can actually pay you some bucks from writing, here is a good news for you. I've gotten you 4 sites that you can work from home as a writer and be earning passive income from it. Alright, so I won't take much of your time as we are going to dive into the sites one after the other. Alright, so and the sites number one is site number one is writeraccess.com. Okay, writeraccess.com, and this platform you are being paid for writing articles. Alright, all you just have to do here is just hover your mouse over here for freelancer and click on apply now. Alright, and you see a page where you put in your details and you sign in, and you can see here you can only sign up on this platform with your LinkedIn account. So provided you have your LinkedIn, you just have to click on signing in with LinkedIn and it will sign you in automatically. You just apply it within seconds, you are already done. Alright, so I'll only advise you to just get your LinkedIn account ready and then you sign up here. It will also help you. You can also build your LinkedIn account into a profile that is actually looking for work, for job. Alright, build it up there, build up your portfolio on LinkedIn, and you can also get even jobs, writing jobs from LinkedIn. Alright, so that's another benefit of it. Alright, so the second platform where you can be paid through writing is problogger.com. Problogger.com. So this is how the platform is, and this is the URL, problogger.com. So here you don't actually need much to do. You just come down here to where it says job, come up here to where it says job, and then click on jobs. Now it takes you to pages where you see different kind of jobs. So if you're the one that's interested in writing articles, whatever niche you want to write for, there are many niches here. So if you're writing for health, if you're writing for fitness, if you're writing for digital, if you're writing for any niches at all, you can find them here. Alright, all you have to do is just come down here and then search for the kind of niche you want to write for. Then you go to find results, and if you're the one that is looking for someone to write for you, you just hover here, click on post job, then you post your job, and then you see writers that will write for you. But here I'm telling those people that have passions for writing and they want to be earning money from their writer, from their content writing skills. So let's say we are looking for want to write for a script writer or so, or anyone. Okay, we're looking for fitness. Let's look for fitness and see if we can see anyone in that niche. We're nothing to show for it right now. So let's say we're writing for health and wellness writers, right? Health and wellness writer. We'll click on that health and wellness writer. So this is a contract job type, and the category is blog and article writing. So this is the description of the job description: content writer for health. Hi there, Holders is a content production manager or production agency looking to add depth to our writer bench. Okay, we are looking for committed freelance writers. So this is what you are looking for, and they are here ready to take you in to do the job for them. And this is the things you have to take note of when you apply. They are looking for people like you that want to work as a freelancer. So what you just have to do is come down here and click on register to be able to apply for this job. Okay, now you put in your details, your username, your password, your put the same password, and then first name. Everything should be accurate in case you want to verify your account. Then your photo, you drop your photo here. Put your website. If you don't have any website, you can actually put just a dummy site there, or your LinkedIn profile or Facebook profile. You can put it up there, and then fill other things, other details. Then you click on submit. If you're having any issue signing up on this platform, or if you have any issue as we are going in this video, you can drop your comment below. I will attend to them and provide you answers immediately. All right, so once you sign up, you have to verify your email. You'll be sent an email, so you just click on verify and then you log into your account and apply to a job. And once you apply, you'll be picked and then you work and go. Then you start making your bucks from there. And so this third platform that I will introduce to you now is Skyworld.com. It's another content writing platform. You write platform here and then it's there. So you can just hover through it and then register, sign up, and start making money from here too. And the fourth one is Upwork. Upwork is a very popular platform for freelancers. Okay, you hire writers, freelancer writers here and translators. There are many digital, of course, virtual world that you can actually render here. You have their services here: development and IT, AI services, design and creative, sales, marketing, admin and support. We have more of them here: writing and translation, finance and accounting, engineering and architecture, human resources and training, legal, all of them, they are all here on this platform. So if you are looking for to write for people here, for clients here, there are thousands of clients here that are ready to pay you a good amount of money for just for working for them. Okay, so this is it. What you just have to do is just click on here and then sign up, fill up the details that is needed. Then once your account is verified and approved, you start into applying for jobs. Or you apply for jobs, content writing jobs. Make sure you send a very good proposal to them and you will be awarded a project. Then you start making from here too. Then the other one is Fiverr. Upwork and Fiverr, they are a very popular platform, and then they pay a very good amount of money for their clients or for their seller that works on this platform, that sells on this platform. All right, so if you have any content writing skills, you can come to this platform and start writing to earn money. Okay, and you don't really have to stress yourself. Okay, just come here and then click on join and put in your details, sign up, register your account, and then complete all the profile setups, and then start becoming a seller. Create your gig on this platform, Fiverr. Create a gig as a content writer. Then your buyers, those clients that needs your service, will come looking for you there. So it's just as simple as that. Okay, if you have any difficulty or any question in this video, can leave the question or the comment below in the comment section. I will attend to it immediately. And if you are finding it hard to create quality content, in my next video I'm going to show you how to create quality content without any stress, content without plagiarism. I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to teach you how to do that so that you'll be able to make money easily. Of course, making money online is not that easy, but I'm going to put you through on ways that will actually foster your journey on online or making money online. All right, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's move on together. I want to make you earn some bucks online, so subscribe to this channel and like this video and keep turn on the notification bell so that when I post any video, you'll be the first to see it. All right, and I'll be dropping the links to this platform in the description below to make it easy for you to access straight. All right, so kindly go through the description below and find the respective links from there. And if you have any difficulty, as I've said, drop your comment, drop me a message in the comment section, and I will attend to it as soon as possible. Thank you. Catch you later.